Hello everyone, welcome to WP Tutoring. I'm Christina, and today in this video we're going to discuss how to disable the Gutenberg editor with the Classic Editor plugin. Before you continue with this tutorial, please be sure to install and activate the Classic Editor plugin. Now, assuming that you have already installed and activated the plugin, hover your cursor over to the Settings tab in the menu right here. Settings, then go to Writing, and right here you will see the option to set your default editor for all users or allowing users to set their editors. Now I'm going to select Classic Editor and save my changes. There. Okay, and here I just have a post or a page or a post, yes, a post that has been built with the Gutenberg editor, but now if I refresh my page, it's gone now. You'll see the Classic Editor is here now instead of the block editor, the Gutenberg block editor. Okay, thank you for watching WP Tutoring, and please be sure to watch our other tutorial videos.